Won't you be my neighbor?
All joking aside, welcome to our newest listing at 2213 Waterford. Hi, I'm Alisha Collins.
And I'm Teresa Shoemaker with the Alisha Collins Real Estate Team, and we are right across the street from Summit Elementary.
This home is 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a 2-car garage, and it is so nice inside.
Yeah, it's so cute. I love it.
And Teresa lives around the corner.
I do.
Let's go look around.
Hey neighbor, come on in.
Look at these vaulted ceilings, and you have this massive living room. It also is open to the dining room and the kitchen, so if somebody's cooking and you're hanging out, everyone's still together. This main level has luxury vinyl planking throughout, super durable, super warm, and you're gonna just love the color.
I absolutely love these granite countertops, these tall upper cabinets with crown molding, the newer black appliances, and there's seating for all your friends.
On this side of the home, we have 2 spacious bedrooms, nice closets, lots of natural light, and a full bath. It has tile on the floor and the same cabinets and countertops that were in the kitchen.
This home is a split floor plan because 2 bedrooms and a bathroom are in one part of the home and the main bedroom's on this side. This is a massive primary suite with vaulted ceilings, large window. In the large primary bathroom, you have double sinks, a walk-in closet, and a nice shower. Next to the master is the main floor laundry with an entrance into the garage.
There is space for everyone in this living room downstairs.
You could play games, do a puzzle, watch
Pet the
TV. There's so much space down here for anything you want to do.
And we got to show them the rest of the downstairs.
Yeah, that's just the beginning. There's 2 more bedrooms downstairs. Both have egress windows and they're huge.
And there's another bathroom down here. It has the same style as the rest of the home.
Look at this closet. Look at this closet. Look at this closet. And look at this closet. And look at this closet. I want to make sure we tell you about the walkability of this location. You can walk to Sips. You could walk to Jump Craze.
You can even walk to La Casina, my favorite place.
I'd love to show you this home. Call or text me today.
Remember, we want you to love where you live. See you soon.
Is there gonna be bloopers? What? Be like, hey neighbor, come on in.
Yeah.
And I don't know what else.
Fix my pants. The same, what the hell? Same what?
Same style, same. Okay. Call me to view it?
No, I'd love to show you this home.
I'm so slow.
Oh, haul ass.